Hi, in front of me is Vivo X51 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings, then tap on Bluetooth and Devices and click on Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher and click Pair New Device. Click on the device that you want to connect to and wait. Now tap Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!